In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and Potensic ATOM Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The Potensic ATOM Drone is an incredibly lightweight gadget, weighing less than 249 grams, making it easily portable and exempt from FAA or remote ID registration. Equipped with a SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video, the drone ensures high-quality image and video capture. The drone features a fast 1.5H charging time and offers an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries, ensuring ample time for exploration. The drone boasts an upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology that ensures strong anti-interference compatibilities and a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The ATOM drone camera supports visual tracking and creative features like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, giving users the freedom to record creative moments. The drone is beginner-friendly, with its enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature, ensuring steady aerial shots and safe flight. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the Potensic ATOM Drone both offer unique features that make them stand out in their own ways. The Holy Stone HS440, priced at $84.99, is equipped with a 1080p HD camera and provides a flight time of up to 20 minutes, making it a good choice for beginners looking for a drone with decent flight time and camera quality. This drone also offers intuitive features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation, which can add to the fun of the flight experience. On the other hand, the Potensic ATOM Drone, priced at $399.99, is a lightweight drone with a high-quality SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video. It offers a longer flight time of 96 minutes and features advanced technologies like PixSync 3.0 for strong anti-interference capabilities and a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. This drone also supports creative features like visual tracking and various QuickShots, providing more freedom for recording. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but the Potensic ATOM Drone comes with enhanced GPS capabilities and a return-to-home feature, ensuring steady aerial shots and safe flight. The choice between these two drones ultimately depends on the specific needs and budget of the user.